Hey Dot, I just wanted to show you like how to, I say freeze the screen, but that's really not what we're doing here. I'm going to take the slide, because really I think we should probably take this video off. I'm going to take this slide and duplicate it. Okay, because you already have it great. On this duplicated slide, I'm going to take off each picture. What I want to do is I want to have the part of the screen that I can't move saved. So like I don't want this to move. So I'm going to come up here to File, Download. I'm going to download it as a picture, as an image. So I'm going to click on that. Look, that arrow that automatically went into my downloads. So now I'm going to come up here to the slide that I don't want this to move. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Background, choose Image, because I just saved that other one as an image. So I'm going to come up here and click here, open it, done. Okay, so now this one will move. I deleted it. Okay, sorry, I probably should have showed you in a different way. But what I did is I took this and I put it as a background. So now this is not going to move. Okay, so now only these things will move. Okay, so now I'm going to take this because I don't need this anymore, and I'm just going to delete that slide. So now this slide will be frozen. So when they move it, they won't move them all over the place. I will be so happy to walk you through this. Do not hesitate to reach out, and I can do it over the phone, or like we can get through it. Okay, thanks.